Yeah, welcome to this class. Today we'll be talking about functions in Python. Functions in Python are blocks of code that can perform a specific task, and it can be called multiple times within a program. It can be called it and it can be called multiple times within a program. To define a function in Python, you use the def keyword followed by the function's name and any parameters. And also know that the function also contains a body. The body of the function defines what the function does. For example, if I want to define a simple function, I start with the word def space, then the function name. Let me say, okay, the function name is, then I'm going to use mboy boy, funny boy, then parentheses. So I'll define, I'm giving a name to this function boy. So now I want to create the block code, the body of the function. So what does this boy do? What does the function name boy does? That's what the body of the function, that's what the body of the function explains. In this case, let's say for that place I will say, okay, print, and this time is a simple code that's a string. You're welcome. Okay, let's say, okay, you're welcome boy, you welcome boy. So define on that body, print how old are you, boy? See, now I'll define a function called or name boy, and I'll define what the body of the function with a simple string, a code, and it contains two body of function, so a simple string and a code. And one of them is you are welcome boy. The other one prints how old are you. Then we want to return the function. We record the function by just calling the name, we typing the name on the function. Okay, so let's say boy, the bracket close. Okay, that's how we call the function. Bracket go down. We put just in print the statement outside the block. Okay, also a string. So what we call this, okay, I am 4 years old. See, so we have defined a function called boy, and we define what the body of the function, use the block of code that tells us what the function does. The function here is, we name the function as a boy, and what the body of code shows that you are welcoming the boy to a particular class or to an event, and we ask the boy a question. We return the return value of the boy, which shows that what the body of the function does. Okay, so let's run our code and see what will be our answer from Python. Says system error y in line 4 and 4 years old. Why? I know why, because like 4 years old, we don't use double quotes because of that line there. Most Python is right. Good. So enter. Say again, you are welcome boy. How old are you? I'm 4 years old. So what happened in this place? Very simple. We first of all define the function as boy, which is the name of the function that we are defining. Remember, to define a function, we must use def keyword. It's a reserved keyword in Python programming for function. So we define the function and name it as boy. Then we now create the body of the function, which is these two body of the function. They are the blocks of code that define what the function does, and we return the value of the function with the boy we call the function. How do we recall the function? By just typing the name of the function with a parenthesis. Then this print is a statement outside the body of the functions. So whatsoever the function does not affect this last statement, print I am 4 years old. So let's do another example so that you can get used to how function works in Python. So let's assume that you are a student in a particular school and you are learning Python programs. So let's define this def as user. So what should be the name of our function or student? Let's use the word student. Parentheses. I want to define what the body of the function. So what is the student doing? We define the function as student. So what does the body of the function that we define as student do? So that's what we want to do now. So let's see, when we run a simple code, print, use it, simple code. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm a computer student. Okay, that's the first print function. Okay, let's use double quote because I am okay. Okay. A 200 level student. That's the first function, first body. Same print. Department of Computer Science. Okay, and print okay. I want to define another code that shows what the body of the function does, and what I'm currently, let's use double quote. Currently learning functions in Python. Okay, then we want to call the function. How do we call it? So simply type student with open and close brackets, and you can put a statement outside the function bracket. You can also label it. If you run the code, it will print whatsoever the body does. So the return value shows us what the body of the function does, and that's exactly what will be the output. So you always indicate or show or display what the body of the function does. Remember, you define the function. After the function, you shows the function. You create the body of the function, which shows what the function is all about. Okay, that is the return value of the student. And you can return the value many times, multiple times. For example, if I click student 5 times, it will print this 3 statement 5 times. Okay, let's put a statement outside the block. I love coding very much. I love coding very well, very much. I love coding a lot. I think that is better. Since we have returned the value, we call the function. That's what I mean. Then we run this program. It will see that it will give us exactly what we are. Okay, look at what the output. I'm a 200 2, okay, 2 appear 10, so you can correct it. Let's come back.